Let's try to get the sound from the keyboard here. Not sure if you guys can hear this, but I'll do my best. All right, that right there, that is the sound from this keyboard right out of the box. It comes loaded with features most full-size boards don't have. I've tested a lot of keyboards at this level, and this one genuinely surprised me with what you get straight out of the box. It's real mechanical switches, pre-lubed liners, hot swappable gasket mounted. You're getting the same construction as keyboards that cost significantly more. The gasket mount gives you a soft flex with every keystroke. It's comfortable for long sessions. 5 layers of sound dampening built in, no mods needed. It's tri-mode connectivity. You have Bluetooth 5.0 across 3 devices, 2.0 gigahertz wireless and USB-C wired. Physical volume knob right here. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts weeks with RGB off. One thing to know, the customization software is Windows only. Mac users can still use it, just no advanced programming. It has a 75% layout, tri-mode wireless gasket mount, hot swappable switches. If you want a compact mechanical keyboard that delivers, this is it.